back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. It wouldn't be me if I did not throw a healthcare position in the day. We are going to dive all in. Just know a few things. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you stay till the very end of the video, I do have salary estimates for you for this job position. But Ensemble Health Partners, they have 587 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a denial specialist. Now, this is remote nationwide throughout the United States. So they're basically looking for somebody to review and follow up on denied claims from insurance company. It says the denial specialist will perform all the denial and audit activities across the Ensemble Health Partners. You'll be contacting insurance companies to determine reasons the claims are unpaid. So you'll either be contacting them online through their secure provider portal, or you may have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call. But this is not a call center job where you're sitting on the phone taking phone calls all day. You'll be correcting and resubmitting those claims in a timely manner to try to collect payment. So once you find out from the insurance company why they denied it, you'll try to correct that issue and send it back to the insurance company. While you're working these claims, you're going to help identify trends in denied payments by insurance companies so that you can fix those on a mass level rather than having to fix one at a time. You'll identify changes to insurance company policies and ensure that Ensemble Health is compliant in billing. And of course, internally, you'll communicate with other departments and your teammates to help resolve denial issues and submitting appeals in a timely manner. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. Of course, they prefer one, but the only requirement is a high school diploma or GED, and they prefer somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of revenue cycle, billing, AR follow-up, denials, appeals, compliance, or some kind of provider relations department. Now, you do have to get CRCR certified within 9 months of hire. They don't state if they're going to pay for your certification, but most places do. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in their job description. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but quite a few people who have worked as a denial specialist with Ensemble Health has submitted their salary to Glassdoor. So Glassdoor estimates that the salary for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year on the low end, all the way up to $63,000 a year on the high end. And of course, that's going to be dependent on location and experience. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave it down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.